Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi 14R to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both of them and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now you can choose whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups and hit send at the bottom left corner of Redmi. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Now pick send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!